Hi, and thanks for joining Crafty Creations by Gigi. Today I'm going to show you how I made a blanket and I'm going to personalize it with the child's name on it for the holidays. This is the fleece blanket that I made. So I made this fleece blanket yesterday. The child loves basketball. So it's two sides. So on the red side, I'm going to put the child's name. I'm going to personalize it with the child's name on it. And another basketball. So hang on tight. Be patient with me. And enjoy. Now I'm just sitting here weeding out the child's name on the HTV transfer. I'm just going to weed out his name. Get it going. I can weed out his name and then put it on the blanket. People swear by this tool. I can never get it to do right the first time. Take up too much time, but we are reading this out. Yeah, I know the last video you guys joined me on was the one where I personalized the hoodie, the pullover hoodies for my other grandson. This is my younger grandson I'm actually making this for. He loves basketball. So I just wanted his blanket to be special. So I'm just leaving all this out. I'm not going to take you through the whole weeding process because I got two other things to weed out, and I'm not gonna let my video be long, drawn, and boring. I just wanted to show you how you weed it. Most of you probably already know because you probably have the Cricut Explorer or the Cameo or the Brothers Cut and Scan. You probably already have a tool, a machine to do this. But for you who don't, I just thought it'd be fun. See, I wasted a lot of my stuff. I could have cut it, but I wasn't thinking. But it's okay. It's a small thing, not that big. Didn't waste too much. Didn't waste too much. Just weeding out the little portions, the little pieces that stuck. So, sorry for the noise in the background if you hear it. It's my unpleasant daughter. I'm now going to cut the sides so it don't interfere when I'm pressing it. So just cut it like that. So now his name is done. Samir. I have 2 other pieces to cut. To weed. When I finish weeding them, I'll be back. Just be patient. Thank you. Okay guys, I was just trying to find placement. I finished weeding out the basketball. Is 2 pieces, the black to make the black lines and the orange to make the top coat of the basketball, so it goes on like that. So I actually made this big like this, his name in the bowl and stuff, because I was going to put it in the middle of the blanket, but then I thought it don't look too bad on the corner. So I'm just going to now go to my heat press, press the blanket at my heat press, and then I'll come back and let you see how it looks. Hey guys, I'm finished. This is what the finished product look like of the blanket. It's in a corner. It won't come off. So I'm finally finished Zamir's Christmas blanket. It's just a throw actually. It's a throw for a 4-year-old. On one side we have the basketball hoop. On the other side is red with his name. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my page.